In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your React app on Hostgator in just 5 minutes. If you're new to deploying web applications, worry not, as I'll guide you through each step with clear instructions to make the process as smooth as possible. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Hostgator's website, navigate to your preferred web browser, and in the address bar type hostgator.com to access their homepage. Hostgator is known for providing one of the best website hosting services available, making it a reliable choice for deploying your React app. Once you're on the Hostgator homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Look for the sign in button, usually prominent and easy to spot. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first by signing up on their platform. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Hostgator home interface. Your next step is to click on the websites section. This is where you manage all your hosted sites and can create new ones. It is typically found on the dashboard. Clicking on it will bring you into your website management space. Here, you'll want to go to the settings option. Once there, it should lead you to a broader menu where you'll find the advanced section. Clicking this will take you further into the backend options of your hosting environment. Hostgator offers a user-friendly interface that lets you access various features and settings easily. Next up, you'll be looking for the cPanel option. The cPanel is a control panel that simplifies the management of your web hosting environment, and it's a crucial tool for deploying your React app. Click on cPanel to access it. If you haven't accessed cPanel before, it's packed with features, so feel free to explore, but for now, let's stay focused on hosting your React app. Within cPanel, navigate to File Manager. File Manager is where you'll upload your React app files. It's intuitive and similar to file explorers you might have used before. Inside File Manager, locate the Upload button. This is where you'll be uploading your compiled React app files. Compiling your app ensures that it's production ready, optimizing it for hosting and use. Now, simply drag and drop your React project's build folder into the appropriate directory in File Manager. If your app is already compiled for production, uploading should be quick and straightforward. Once uploaded, you'll need to ensure that your files are in the correct directory, usually the root or public HTML directory, for them to be accessible online. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully hosted your React app on Hostgator. With just a few clicks and uploads, your app is now live and ready to be accessed by users around the world. It's a great step in your journey of web development, and remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to experiment further and explore the many features Hostgator offers. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting.